It feels so good to be here again, man. We were just not talking about how blessed we feel, but it's to be the second biggest yacht in the Southeast, you know? I remember when we started this thing off, everybody doubted us, everybody doubted it could happen for numerous reasons, but we still here, so give it up for yourselves. Yeah! Check it out, man. This ain't just a yacht. This represents abundance. This represents unity. This represents next level living. And this is what happens when vision touches action. Give it up for the 2025 All White Yacht Party!
They say money talk, put diamonds in my teeth. I be Louis down with Jordans on my feet. Messed up in your yard like trick or treat. You better play your cards right, you better not ever reach. For this chain over here, I put you underneath. Yeah, I ripped it 5, but I put you 6 feet deep. Let's go, 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 get some money off the bush. Yeah, I made some meals off my tours. Yeah, I made some meals off my merch too.
You want to recognize the level up from the President's Club, because after you reach the President's Club and you go through regional sales director and you go through national sales director and you go through executive sales director, the next level is vice president.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, handle business. I'm on the industry and God is my witness. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
If you just show up each and every day for yourself, you literally give God a platform to show out. Every time. If you just show up for you, God will show out in your life like you never knew.
Shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer. Come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer.
And in 2020, when my only son was taken away from me, and he came back to me and he said, Mom, keep going because you started all of this for me. That's why I wake up every day with purpose. This is not a game. This is not a joke at all.
The more edification, there's more people that's what? Excited about doing what? Want to do the same thing, y'all. So then it's a ripple effect. So that's why I'm happy and I'm super grateful to be up here to say, man, it's an honor to serve. It's an honor to serve. It's an honor to serve. And I'm so honored to be up here. And then, of course, y'all, where the gold is at? In the building. In the building. And guess what, y'all?